Does Samsung Smart TV have Google Play Store? Samsung Smart TVs do not have Google Play Store because they run on Samsung's Tizen OS, not Android TV. Unlike Android-based TVs that use the Google Play Store for apps, Samsung Smart TVs have their own Samsung Smart Hub and App Store to download apps. However, users can still access Google services through alternative methods. 1. Why doesn't Samsung Smart TV have Google Play Store? Samsung uses Tizen OS. Samsung Smart TVs operate on Tizen OS, which does not support Google Play Store. Apps are available on Samsung Smart Hub. Instead of Google Play, Samsung provides its own app store where users can download popular apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Disney+. No direct support for Google Play apps. Unlike Android TVs, Samsung TVs cannot install Google Play apps natively. 2. How to get Google Play apps on Samsung Smart TV. If you want to use apps from the Google Play Store, here are some workarounds. Use a streaming device. Connect an Android TV box, Chromecast, Amazon Fire Stick, or NVIDIA Shield to access Google Play apps. Screen mirror from a smartphone. Use Smart View, Samsung, Google Home, or third-party mirroring apps to cast content from an Android device. Install apps via APK, not recommended. Some users try to sideload APK files using third-party tools, but this is risky and not officially supported on Samsung TVs. 3. Can you access Google services on a Samsung Smart TV? Even without Google Play Store, Samsung Smart TVs still support some Google apps. YouTube, available directly through the Samsung Smart Hub. Google Photos can be accessed by casting from a mobile device. Google Assistant. Some Samsung TVs support voice control with Google Assistant. Google Play Movies and TV. Available as an app on Samsung's App Store, now merged with YouTube Movies. Fourth best alternative to Google Play Store on Samsung Smart TV. Instead of Google Play Store, Samsung Smart TVs offer Samsung Smart Hub, the official Samsung App Store with thousands of apps. Third-party streaming devices like Roku, Fire Stick, and Chromecast give access to Android-based apps. Smartphone casting mirror Google Play content from an Android phone or tablet. Samsung Smart TVs do not have Google Play Store, but users can still enjoy Google apps and services through Samsung Smart Hub, casting, or external streaming devices. For full access to Google Play apps, using an Android TV box